Hello, welcome you all to my channel EduInfi Learning. In today's session, I am going to discuss ecosystem NEET exam question. Firstly, you subscribe and like EduInfi Learning to get latest update on more questions, which is an example of true pyramid in an ecosystem. Pyramid of biomass, pyramid of number, pyramid of energy, none of the above. Ecological pyramid is a graphical representation of ecological parameters in various trophic level of food chain. Parameters are like number, biomass, energy. Here in the pyramid, base is by the producers and top tier and at top tiers are carnivores. So pyramid of energy is a graphical representation of energy trapped by different trophic levels per unit area. In this pyramid of energy, it is in upright position always. From bottom to top level, there is wastage of or loss of energy. So being an upright, it is a true pyramid in ecosystem. So third one is the answer. Next question, breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by earthworm is a process called purification, fragmentation, mineralization, catabolism. These are all the parts of decomposition. So decomposition, it's a breakdown of complex organic matters into simpler ones. And in this case, breakdown of detritus into smaller particles by earthworm is fragmentation. So there are 5 steps of decomposition. First is fragmentation, where there is breakdown of detritus into small pieces by earthworm. Next is leaching, process which involves releasing nutrients in water and seeping into soil. Third is catabolism, process of breaking down complex molecule into simpler ones. Fourth one is humification, where there is formation of dark colored humus. Fifth is mineralization, and this is the process where degradation of humus to release inorganic nutrients. Next question, which of the following is main adaptation for a plant to survive in xerophytic conditions? Xerophytic conditions are arid conditions. Desert areas have xerophytic conditions where there is less water. Plants are adapted to survive in arid environment, and this adaptation is to reduce transpiration and for water conservation. There are two things, stems are covered by thick cuticles and leaves are modified to spines to reduce loss of water. So first is the answer, spines. Next question, biogeochemical cycle of which element has atmospheric phase? Biogeochemical cycle, it is a repeatable pathway by which chemical molecules move to biotic and abiotic components. So here carbon, sodium, phosphorus and magnesium are given. So carbon cycle involves exchange of carbon among biosphere, pedosphere, atmosphere, geosphere and hydrosphere. Other cycles are oxygen cycle, carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle and water cycle. Which of the following process does not affect the nutrient flow in an ecosystem? Migration, parasitism, predation, production. Nutritional quality of material that is consumed also influences how efficiently energy is transferred, because consumers can convert high quality food into new living tissues more efficiently. And decomposers act on organic matter, decayed material, to return nutrients back to the environment, which producers can consume. And migration is a large scale movement of species to different environment. Migration does not affect the nutrient flow in ecosystem. So first is the answer. Next question, trophic level in a food chain which cycles the various material between environment and living organism is constituted by producers, consumers, decomposers. So here decomposers is the answer. It decomposes waste organic matters and release energy back into environment. Food series is a series of plants and animals as producers and consumers at various level of trophic level. Plants are the producers, animals are the consumers. Here decomposes organic matter and release nutrients back into the environment. So third is the answer. That's all for today. Like and subscribe my EduInfi channel to get more updates on questions for NEET exam. Or you can visit our website cbse.eduinfi.com. Thanks.